So here is a new injector for us. It's going to New York to Delvin Martin. It's a Dietrich Shank. This is the Python injector, so this can swing from side to side. So the injector shank has 30 degrees of pivot, left to right. Also on here, we have our swinger stops. These slide front, so right now they're slid back for when you're folded up so you don't smash your tractor cab. And then you pull the pin, and this slides front. So when you're injecting, turning around at the ends, we want to keep the injector in the ground the whole time, and this allows the swing pipe to go beyond 90 degrees, so it gets it front beside the tractor. So that makes it easier to turn around. And then we also have the extendable swinger, and that is where the swinger telescopes out. With the extendable swinger and this moving swinger stop, it allows you to turn around at the ends with a straight frame tractor, and you don't need to back up. The Dietrich Shanks will take about twice the horsepower as our Hoover low disturbance injectors do. This is going in deep. You know, they're trying to go 6-8 inches with this injector. With the Hoover ones, we're trying to go just 3 or 4 inches and a low disturbance, so it takes less horsepower. So on this particular bar, it's a 10-unit bar plus the hose. You're going to want about 300 horsepower. The question we get asked a lot is why Dietrich Shanks? They do a really good job of burning manure. If you want to put 15 to 20,000 gallons to the acre and you want it all under the ground, this is the injector to have. If you have rocky ground or stones, this is not the injector to have, because it is a shank. You are going to pull stones up. My focus with the Hoover low disturbance injectors is it's a disc opener, it's a low disturbance. We want to keep the stones down under the surface. But if you don't have a problem with stones and you want high rates and you're not no-till, this one works. These injectors are fun to run. You know, if you're doing anywhere from 15 to 20,000 per acre and you look out the back and there's nothing on the surface, it does make you feel good because the manure is all under the ground. Now, one thing is it will stay wet for a long time because you got all of that manure under the ground. It takes a while for it to dry out. Don't go driving in your field the next day and think that it's going to be ready to plant corn. Now we'll go inside in the shop and we'll show you what we're currently working on. Here is a puck swinger. This is for Spring Lake Farms in New York. They want us to put our patented folding mechanism on here so that when they go down the road, they don't have this big tail hanging way out the back. So that's in here right now. We're getting ready to take it apart, put the hinge on it with the hydraulic locking pin. Here we have a 24-foot Hoover injector. This is the low disturbance. This is a dragline bar. It's got the extendable swinger, and this one also has the moving stops so that when you turn around at the end, the swinger can move beyond 90 degrees to come basically wrap around the side of your tractor, so it's easier to turn around. This one we're building for stock, so it is currently available. I am Eric Hoover. The Hoover Ag, we build manure dragline equipment. We do approximately 40 million gallons a year of custom pumping, and then we specialize in manure injectors, hose reels, and related dragline equipment. The best way to contact me is call me on my cell phone.